Want to know how to use loops in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, we are going to discuss about some three major loops: the for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So first things first, for loop. This is the best when you know how many times you need to run the code. So this code right here, you can see I equals to 1, where I is defined as 1. So when I, that is 1, if it is smaller or equals to 3, we go for iterate I, that is 1. So right here, this prints a 1 to 3. You declare I, set the end condition, and update I and iterate it every round. Now next thing, while loop, which checks up the condition first. So right here, it keeps running as long as j is less than or equal to 3. So for now, j is 1, and now while keeps on running until it's lesser or equals to 3. The next thing is a do while loop. Even if the condition is false, it runs the code at least once. That's it. 3 different loops, same idea. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos.